Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will learn that how we can download, install and activate Lisrel 12 software in our laptop or desktop. If you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. So let's move to the video. First of all, you have to type Lisrel 12 download and install in your Google Chrome browser, and you will see there is an option, or you can see there is a link of Scientific Software International in front of you. You can click on this option, Lisrel, and this window or this page will appear in front of you. You can see that if you want to read about Lisrel software, you can read here, and if you want to go for different examples of Lisrel software, you can click on this option. You will find out what Lisrel can do for you, like it can do EFA, MANOVA, logistic probit regression, measurement models, and much more. And if you want to get different example related to this analysis or these analysis, you can go for scrolling down, and you will find out you can perform multiple group analysis, ordinal data analysis, and many more analysis with this software. So, and if you want to go for Lisrel Sport, you can click on this option. You can get the Lisrel Sport from these feature. And currently the latest version is Lisrel 12. If you have any queries related to Lisrel 11, you can mention, or you can ask those queries or through their proper channel. And currently we are going to download Lisrel software in our laptop and desktop. So I'm going to click on Lisrel license option, and here you will find out they are providing a number of license or subscription option for you. And one of them is standard license, second one is network license, commercial license, basic license, and at the last is trial license. I'm going to click on the trial license. You can read the rest of the license, like what is they offering in standard license, in network license, and commercial license, etc. So in trial license, I'm going to click on this option. You will see there's a new window appeared in front of you, and first of all you have to go for the register option. You will click on this option, and you will see they will ask you some kind of personal details, like what's your name, last name, email, confirm email, company details. You can mention your company, organization, or university name here, and they will ask you for time zone, password, and confirm password. You can click on I'm not a robot option and hit the register button. It will complete the registration process. I've already made an account and registered myself, but I'm going to mention the details for you. And University of Central Punjab and company name, you can click on the newsletter option if you want to activate this option. If you want to get the newsletter from the company, and you can mention the password details here. I've already in the password section, you have to make sure that one of the letter in your password should be capital. So if you are men and use alphabets and numbers at the same time and different characters. Okay, click on I am not robot option. Okay, it's showing the specified email address already exists. So I have already received an email, and my account has been created. You will receive an email like this one. Thank you for registering an account with Scientific Software International. And to activate your account, click here. I have already clicked this option, and my account has been activated. You will get a similar option or similar account activation message on your screen. You can click on the continue button. You will see a window will appear in front of you. So what do I have to do to proceed next? First of all, you can log into your account. I'm going to log in into my account, and here you will see my account has been logged in. What I have to do next, I will go for shopping cart, and here you will see an image, Lisrel trial, and price, quantity, total details has been shown in front of me. If this option is not activated, or you will find out that there is nothing in shopping cart, you can go for Lisrel licenses and you can click on the trial license again. And here you have to click on this option add to cart, and you will see that it's telling me the maximum quantity allowed for purchase one is already has been allocated. So if you create a new account and you will find out that there is nothing in your shopping cart, you can go to your account and you can find out that the shopping cart option has been activated from the trial version page. So this shopping cart, I'm going to click on this option, you can see. Then I'm going to click on update shopping cart, and next I have to click on end user license checkout, and it will take me to the next page where they will ask me for the billing address. You can mention your email address here, you can confirm the email address, like I'm going to mention here company name and your country. Here I'm going to your state and city. I'm going to mention my city here, and postal code. I have to mention my mobile number. And what I do, I have to click on the continue button. This will shows in the form of a confirmation order, and you have to simply go for confirm option. And when you will click on this option, you will see a message your order has been successfully processed. Click on the continue button, and what you will find out, you will find out that there's two options in front of you. One is view end user license agreement, second is download software. So I'm going to click on the download software option, and it will take me to the link. And I've already downloaded this software, and I can open the Lisrel installer. So from this stage, I'm going to install Lisrel software in my laptop and desktop. I have already received the key of the software, and we are going to activate this software with the key. So I'm going to click on installer setup, and so I'm going to open the file here. As you can see, the Lisrel installer setup is appeared in front of me. I'm going to click on this option, and it will ask me for you have to install Microsoft Visual C++ components to activate or to install this software. I'm going to click, do you want to install this now? Yes. Okay, I'm going to click on the OK button. It will ask me for setup wizard. I have to click on the next button, then accept the agreement. And if you want to change the program file to your D or E drive, you can change the path here, but I'm going to keep it to C drive and click on the next button, and then click on the install button, and you will see that it will install in maximum 2 or 3 seconds. The software has been installed. Click the finish button. When the software will be installed in your laptop and desktop, you will see a message will appear in front of you that the software has been installed. Please note your result for Windows license will expire on this date to this date, and you can log into your account to activate it. You will see that here, as I can see, they do not only provide me the link of downloading the software, but they also provided me user license master key. I have already activated this software with the key, and if you are a new user, they will ask you to mention your license key to activate your account. As I have already activated this software, it doesn't ask me to provide any master key. So you have to copy this key, and you just have to mention in the prompt box, and your account will be activated for 14 days. And you will see the registration date here, and you will also see the name of your computer will be mentioned in action button. So if you want to replace your key, you can click this option and you can use your account. So this is the whole procedure to download and install and to activate the Lisrel 12 software in your laptop or desktop. So this is the main page of the Lisrel software. You can go to file, and here you can import the data from SPSS or any other tool that you have. Like, it's providing a number of ways to import the data. If you have data in the form of JMP, MATLAB, Minitab, and any other software that you are working on, like SAS, SPSS, etc., you can import the data. Like, I have the data here, and I can import this data into my file. It will automatically convert that SPSS file into Lisrel file, Lisrel data file, and I have to click on the save button. Here, the data has been imported into my Lisrel software. This is the whole procedure to get the data into Lisrel software. You cannot enter the data as you mentioned, or, or enter the data in SPSS. There is no option of data entry in Lisrel software. You can mention, you can enter the data in some other software, and then you can import the data into the Lisrel software. I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to share the video and subscribe the channel.